You sure got mommy lips, huh? Listen, if my child doesn't get anything from me, he definitely have these big lips. But you like them. Guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Bam.
Hi guys, happy Saturday. We are today. It's the last weekend for Christmas, so we just plan to finalize our shopping gift. So here we go, just reach and we're gonna do some store to find gifts.
Yeah, so we're going shopping, you guys. It's the last weekend and we won't be home for Christmas. We will be with the Hubby's family, so we are trying to get gifts for everybody, for as much people as we can. So it's our last opportunity to do that and to finish our Christmas shopping. So we're on the road. It's a little bit chilly and I'm sure the store is going to be full because it's the last weekend. School is on holiday here. School is on 2 weeks break. There's a lot of kids out on the street. Yada yada yada. I'm gonna stop rambling. So Lego. You guys, the shopping has been real. There's so much people out here. It's crazy. My advice: never wait last minute to do Christmas shopping. The good thing is though, we got everything that we want for the family, so that's awesome. And a tram coming, babe, careful. We can go. Look. Yes, baby.
20 minutes.
Tyler was sleeping and then he just woke up crying. I think he had a bad dream. There's so much people out here. It's crazy. Crazy. So we finished shopping and we're actually walking to the jewelry store because my gift that babe got me for anniversary needs to be adjusted. So we're just heading to the jewelry store to get that done real quick, and we catch up with you guys later because this crowd, you have to pay attention. So catch you guys later. You guys, the struggle is real. We finished shopping and at the bus stop, well, our bus is here but it's not yet ready to leave, so we're here waiting to get on our bus to go home. I'm cold, not too hungry because I just had 3 croissants. Oh my god.
She says she's on a diet. He said, baby, I'm hungry. I'm on a diet.
I'm on a diet that is called Melissa Eat Anything. Okay. I eat anything, whatever I want, however I want, wherever I want. My diet is not governed by anybody. No prime minister, no prince, no president. Okay.
She's her own president.
Right. You guys, hope you're having a wonderful day. We have a day well spent shopping and we have so much bags. Look.
No, they only can see 2.
Well, only can see this one, this brown one, and there's another white one, and there is hello. Say hello. 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 You sure got mommy lips, huh? Listen, if my child doesn't get anything from me, he definitely have these big lips. But you like them. My hubby love my lips. Okay. Alright, you guys, we're heading home, so I'll catch you guys at home. Hi guys, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Happy Sunday. Okay, happy Sunday. It's bright and early and I am up. Look outside. Can you guys see outside? It's about to be a beautiful day. It looks so good over the beach. It looks so good outside, though it looks a little bit windy, but that's okay. Today is gonna be a busy day, a productive day, because it's because we have to go on the road to the supermarket and get some stuff done. I'm up early, about to whip up some breakfast. Hubby's sleeping in this morning because he's feeling really tired. Yes, I'm about to get some breakfast done and I'll catch you guys in a bit. You giving kisses? Huh? You giving kisses?
Good morning, everybody.
Crazy. You guys, it's breakfast time. And as you can see, that's my breakfast. And look what babe carrot put beside me. Just take a look. Tell tell me it's to put all over my vegetables. Somebody tell me if he doesn't deserve a slap. You don't deserve a slap?
I take care of you.
He says he's taking care of me by giving me Nutella. He's a mess. We are on our way to run some errands, and as expected, the road is very, very busy. And my pumpkin wants to sleep because he had a nap this morning. So he's about to take a nap, I'm sure. Look at him.
Call up the bus. Stage, yeah.
Oh, and we live close to a very big stadium, so there is a huge match going on today between Nice and who, babe?
I don't know.
There's a match going on between Nice and another city, so that makes the road even double busy. But that's okay. We're going about our business to get some stuff done and just head back home real quick. Well, surprise, surprise, you guys, the store is empty and we are just floating through, which is good. And got so caught up watching Homeland, of course, and I'm yet to wash my hair, but I'm in the kitchen now making some dinner for hubby. My dinner is already made because it's just some vegetables with a piece of chicken and I'm good to go. I don't know if I tell you guys that I'm on a no carb thing going on, and it's been working for me. Okay, it's been working so far. It's my 3rd week no carb, apart from a little few cheat days here and there because nobody's perfect, but I'm trying and it's working. So I'm making mashed potato for babe, and I am seasoning these. I'm seasoning these for my lunch and my dinner for the entire week. So that's what's up. Dinner is ready and everybody's happy. Mr. and Mrs. Hey loves, I'm just coming on to end the vlog. We had a very long day and we're super tired. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching us, and catch up and keep up and enjoy the family and join the family, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys.